How to make homemade Persian jeweled rice, easy recipe for beginners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, the place where we explore delicious recipes that are easy to make at home. Today, we have a special treat for you, homemade Persian jeweled rice. This dish is not only a feast for the eyes but also a burst of flavors with cashews, walnuts, almonds, and pomegranate seeds. And the best part? It's affordable and perfect for beginners. So, let's dive into the ingredients and the step-by-step process. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of Basmati rice. Half cup of mixed nuts, cashews, walnuts, almonds, chopped. Half cup of pomegranate seeds. 1/4 cup of dried barberries, or cranberries as a substitute. 1 large onion, finely sliced. 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Half teaspoon of ground saffron, soaked in 2 tablespoons of hot water. Half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Half teaspoon of ground cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Preparation, Part 1, Cooking the rice. Let's start by rinsing the rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water with a pinch of salt for about 30 minutes. After soaking, drain the rice. Boil water in a large pot and add the drained rice. Cook until it's about 70% done. Be sure not to overcook the rice. Preparation, Part 2, Sautéing the ingredients. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add the sliced onions and sauté until golden brown. Add mixed nuts to the pan. Now, add the chopped mixed nuts, cashews, walnuts, and almonds. Stir them until they're lightly toasted. Add dried barberries to the pan. Toss in the dried barberries or cranberries for a sweet and tangy flavor. Mix well. Layering the rice. Take a large pot and layer half of the partially cooked rice at the bottom. Sprinkle half of the saffron water, ground cinnamon, and cumin over the rice. Add the nut and berry mixture. Now, spread half of the nut and berry mixture evenly over the rice. Repeat the layering process. Repeat the process with the remaining rice, saffron water, and nut-berry mixture. Cover the pot with a clean kitchen towel and put the lid on top. Cook on low heat for about 30 minutes, allowing the rice to steam and absorb all those wonderful flavors. And there you have it. Our homemade Persian jeweled rice is ready to be served. Garnish with a generous sprinkle of pomegranate seeds for that extra burst of color and flavor. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you for joining me on our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious dish. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more recipes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty update. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Persian jeweled rice lovers.